Alright, Flatware Mechanic here, and today I'm going to show you how to clean the carbon out of the inside of your intake manifold on your car or your truck, or in this particular case it is on a diesel, which is much more common for carbon buildup. And we're just going to take a torch and compressed air to do this. Basically, it's just going to get this carbon hot enough to where it starts burning on its own, and then we're going to stick the compressed air in here, and that's going to keep it going. Once it's lit on fire, we don't even need the torch anymore. It's just going to start burning out, and it's pretty impressive. I wouldn't really suggest trying this yourself, but on some intake manifolds, like this particular one that's heavily carboned up, that came off it didn't come off a gas motor, it came off a diesel motor, so it's pretty common for these things to get like this. It's pretty impressive, and it actually works pretty well, as you'll see here. At the end of the video, I'll show you how clean this intake actually came, and I'll also leave a link in the video description below on some products you can use, like Seafoam, to actually clean your gas intake manifolds without actually removing them. So in this case, we had the intake manifold removed, and we're going to burn it out, and it's a pretty impressive fire we'll end up having here.
Pass the torch. Pass the torch. There you go. Get it going.
Alright, and this is a finished product after we actually cleaned all the carbon out, or burnt all the carbon out. I took it into the meteor blaster and we blasted it. So the inside of the sucker actually looks pretty much brand new. But most of that stuff came out just by burning it out. Appreciate you watching this video. If you thought it was helpful and cool, hit the thumbs up button. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. Thanks. Flat Rate Mechanic.